Hi kids, welcome to Computer Science class, Chapter 5 Inserting Features. In the last class, we learned the use of insert shapes, shape styles, and insert shape group options. Today, we are going to learn the use of word art, text group, and inserting symbols. Word art. Children, what is word art? Word art is a gallery of text styles that we can add to the document to create different decorative effects. It can be used to add color, outline, and shadows to regular text. How can you insert word art? First, click on Insert, then select word art from text group. Word art gallery will be displayed. Select any one style from it. Then type the text. Now the text will be appear in that style. When we insert word art tools and format tab will appear. It contains text groups, shape styles, arrange groups, and word art styles for modifying the text. Word art styles. Word art styles are a collection of some pre-built text styles which can instantly apply to the text. We can change the appearance of a word art by changing its color, line style, or weight. We can apply a quick style by clicking the More button in the Word Art Styles group. Quick Style is a collection of formatting options that make formatting documents and objects easier. Text Fill option. It is used to change the selected word art text with a solid color or gradient. To apply color or gradient to a text, click on the arrow on the text fill icon from the Word Art Styles group. Then select the desired color or style from the drop-down list. Text Outline option. It is used to change the color, weight, dashes and pattern of an outline. Select an outline style from text outline icon on the Word Art Styles group. Text effects. It is used to change the overall text effects of the word art. To change the text effects, first select the word art, then click on text effects icon from Word Art Styles group. Then select the effect that we want from the drop-down list. Transform effect and 3D rotation are also available in Word Art Styles group. We can make the text more attractive by using these options. To apply 3D rotation effect, first select the Word Art style, then click on Text Effect button from the Word Art Styles group. Then select the 3D rotation style from the drop-down list. Transform, bevel and glow are some other effects which are also available in Word Art Styles group. Text group. By using text group, we can change the text direction, align text and create link. These options are located in text group under Format tab. To change Word Art text direction, click on Text Direction drop-down arrow. Then select desired text direction from the list. Inserting symbols. When we type documents, we use symbols. Some symbols are available in a keyboard, but copyright symbols, trademark symbols, paragraph marks, and Unicode characters are not available in a keyboard. These are available in the Symbols drop-down list in the Symbols group on Insert tab. By clicking on Symbol group, A drop-down window will be displayed. By click on more symbols in the drop-down list, we will get a symbol window. There are number of symbols available in this window. We can insert any symbol from this window. Now it's time to wind up the class. Thank you.